Well, hi everyone. My name is Shlok Joshi and today I am going to make a signature Maharashtrian dish. It is almost consumed in every region of Maharashtra, especially in North Karnataka and Goa region it is also consumed. So today on the occasion of International Chef's Day, I want to tribute all mothers who are a born chef and who teaches us how you can turn a dish into masterpiece when you cook it from the bottom of your heart. So especially this recipe is very close to my heart because it is inspired by my mother. The name of the recipe is Jhunka Bhakar. The reason why I selected this dish there are so many dishes from village region which are unexplored, and I want to show you all that these dishes can also match the international level of standards. So without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of asafotida or hing, some crushed garlics, mustard seeds, jeera, a dash of oil, 1 cup of chopped onions, coriander, 2 cups of gram flour, salt, and for bhakri, jawar flour and hot water. First heat up oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we will add mustard seeds and jeera and let them splutter for few seconds. Then we will add chopped garlics and let them cook for a minute until the raw smell goes off. Now we will add a cup of onions and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until they turn out to be translucent. Now we will add turmeric powder and hing and cook it for another minute. Now here I am going to add red chili powder and salt and mix it for few more minutes until the masala is cooked and oil is released. Let us now add gram flour part by part and mix it thoroughly to prevent the lump formation. When its raw smell goes off, then we will add hot water and keep it for steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Here for bhakri, I am adding a cup of hot water into the jawar flour and mixing it to make a soft dough. The dough is ready. Let us keep the pan on the flame. I am rolling bhakri with the use of my palms. You can roll it also by using a rolling pin. Now flip the bhakri and put it over the pan and sprinkle some hot water and cook it on a medium flame. You can also directly cook it on the flame as I am doing here. For jhunka and bhakri, we have to give accompaniment as thecha. For thecha, we need jeera, 2 to 3 green chilies and 10 cloves of garlic. So the question is, as a chef, how would you contribute towards the society? So here are my thoughts. Chef is a very important part of the society. Serving food to others is not a small thing. But as a chef, I would like to serve food to the poor and needy people who are in search of food and roaming here and there. Our country's hunger index is very bad. Our country is ranked 95th in the world hunger index. So in these cases, my responsibility as a chef becomes much higher to serve to the poor people. In this lockdown period, many of us learn how to be independent as it is need of the hour. So my thoughts are sharing knowledge about food is very good thing which can help us develop as in our personality. So by sharing and gaining knowledge to others, it can help me in giving small contribution to the country's development. Thank you.